Bengafiki Pirates. Mina ngikhule ngikhosi.
If bakuthatha previous Benedict Ovile
Yeah.
the one who was scoring bakufake ku modern football asithi bakudlalise kuphakaniya manje bozofika ufithela ngeklavo you were going to be above those players.
Kulaba bamanje bekuzoba nzima kakhulu.
So just be honest. Njengoba ngiBible soba put ngesipana na ku Diski TV we work together as a brother.
In number 5 years so ufaka uJ Mabizela. Junior. That's why ngithi mina Junior yiko ngithi mangikhuluma ngikhuluma ngama quality players. Angikhulumi ngokuthi umuntu ngimbonile le. No.
OJ
Bekinaye la.
hayi nzima le yayi.
OJ.
Ngicela.
Kuthi kugcwele boxini lizibhola lithatha alibeke phansi.
So ukuthi development mfana abantu bayithatha light yabona too.
Sometimes Junior ngithi uthi yakhuluma bese bakushiya ukuthi modern football.
Skele